Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add ChatGPT to your Google Sheets documents. So you can use a ton of ChatGPT functions inside Google Sheets and use that to write text and use some other formatting functions, create tables, classify data in Google Sheets and lots more. So first, if you want to add ChatGPT to Google Sheets, the easiest method is to use a Google Sheets extension. The extension is called GPT for Sheets and Docs. I will link the URL in the description below so you can also check it out. And as you can see here, it can also be used not only in Google Sheets but in Google Docs as well. I have other tutorials on how to use GPT for Sheets and Docs in Google Docs to write complete blog posts, research papers, summarize long documents and stuff like that. But now we're gonna focus on Google Sheets. So click on install here and then open up a new Google Sheets document. So once you are inside Google Sheets, you have to click on extension here, and here you're gonna see GPT for Sheets and Docs among other extensions. And first, if you haven't set an API key yet, you have to do that by clicking on set API key here. So if you are not familiar, you can use this extension by using the ChatGPT or the OpenAI API. I have other tutorials on how to get started with the ChatGPT API, but it's really easy to set up, so make sure to check those out as well. So once you've generated an OpenAI API key, you have to click on set API key here. This sidebar will open up and then you can add your OpenAI API key here, click on save API key, and then you're going to be able to use this Google Sheets extension and use ChatGPT inside Google Sheets. Alright, so once you have added your OpenAI API key, all you have to do is click on extension, select GPT for Sheets and Docs, then click Launch and Enable Functions. And you don't even need to use this sidebar anymore because you're going to be able to use all those functions. But the great thing about this sidebar is that you can check out all of the GPT functions this GPT for Sheets and Docs extension has, and it's quite a lot of them. So you can use the GPT, so the regular GPT function, to write basically anything. You can use the GPT list function to output results in a column. You can also use the GPT hlist function to output results in a row. You can use the GPT format functions to format dates, currencies, addresses, names, and so on and so forth. So there are a ton of functions you can see here. You can use it to translate stuff, summarize stuff, classify stuff in your Google Sheets documents. I have another tutorial where I go more deeply into this, and you can also check out my website where I show you how to use all of these functions. But let's see a quick example. So I have already wrote a function here. So as you can see, all you have to do is add the equal sign as you would do it with any Google Sheets function, then add GPT, and all of these functions will appear here. So let's say we want to use the GPT function, and then we have to add the prompt. And in this example, so let's say we want to write a blog post on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So add that prompt between the parentheses and then press enter, and as you can see, ChatGPT is loading, so the blog post intro is being generated, and we have received the blog post info from ChatGPT. To make sure that the answer is not being regenerated, copy the cell and paste the values into another cell, because these AI functions can regenerate from time to time. So make sure to copy and paste the values of a cell if you want to save it for later and you don't want to always regenerate the answers. And we can check out what has ChatGPT for Sheets come up with. So as you can see, are you looking for a way to make money online? Affiliate marketing might be the answer you're looking for. It's a popular way to earn passive income by yada yada yada. So all in all, this is a great blog post intro, and all in all, this is how to add and use the GPT for Sheets and Docs function inside Google Sheets and use ChatGPT in your Google Sheets documents as well.